Hello, my name is Micaela Raposo and I'm a PhD student at the ISTAR Research Center. In this research, we propose a digital tool based on generative design for housing customization in co-design processes. The system responds to the introduction of requirements, generating a wide range of solutions that on one hand comply with regulations and on the other hand give the end user the freedom to make choices and thus customize his house. In this video, we present the graphical user interface developed for such a system. The architect defines the building layout and the conditions under which the inhabitant will be able to make his decisions. The inhabitant starts by choosing his apartment and then interacts in the different phases of the design process, including the definition of household requirements, the housing layout configuration, and finishing materials. When defining the requirements, the inhabitant defines the rooms he wants in his house and chooses the number of occupants and the size of each room. Custom rooms can also be added. For layout generation, the system generates the options according to the regulations, the rules previously defined by the architect, and the requirements introduced in the previous task by the inhabitant. These options are then presented for the inhabitants to choose one and start customizing. The inhabitant can rearrange the position of rooms, and if his change causes a problem that does not comply with regulations, the system detects it, notifies the user, and proposes a solution. To edit connections between rooms, the inhabitant can reposition the doors, change their size, and even remove walls to connect spaces. In room detailing, the system generates and presents a detailed floor plan with furniture symbolic representation for the inhabitants to better understand the room's scale. In this task, the inhabitant determines the configuration of the kitchen and bathrooms. For that, the user can choose from predefined options generated by the system. Finally, in choice of finishings, the inhabitant can choose the finishing materials for each housing element, such as doors, walls, floors, countertops, etc. In this case, the user is defining the floor for the living room by choosing from the library options, which are materials from real suppliers. In the end, the system presents an overview and calculates the budget based on the finishings chosen and the area where they were applied. The inhabitant can then submit the project, which appears in the representation of the entire building, where he will be able to see the submitted projects of his neighbors. In this way, the building is collaboratively designed, and the houses fit each end user's needs, turning it into a mass customized housing building.